good morning, Group 52. In Matthew chapter 8, a Roman soldier with a sick servant approaches Jesus. Jesus is prepared to come to his house and heal his servant. But the man says, Lord, I am a man under authority and with authority. If you just speak, I know my servant will be healed. Jesus says, never have I seen such faith in all of Israel. The story ends with this man's servant being healed. But you see, the church here is represented by Israel. And this tells us that the faith to receive a miracle does not simply come by attending church. For the Bible tells us faith comes by hearing, and hearing by the word of God. This means that the testimonies you hear will help increase your faith. This means that faith is an experience that is built step by step. Remembering what God has already done for you will grow you into the fact that he can do it again. And if he did it before, he can do greater. So this week, Group 52, share your testimonies of what God has done for you. This week, Group 52, remember what God has already done in your life, knowing that if he did it before, he can do it again. And if he's already done it, he can do greater. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you and have the best week of your life.